Breaking news. Atlanta has once again declared a state of emergency for a snowstorm predicted to bring, brace yourselves, an entire half-inch of snow. To no one's surprise, the city's grocery stores are already under siege. We go live to one of our reporters in the field. Excuse me, sir. Care to explain why you've single-handedly wiped out the dairy aisle for a snowstorm that hasn't even started?
Listen, you don't know my life. Last time, I got stuck in my driveway for 2 hours. I'm not risking it again.
2 hours? Sounds dramatic. Did you consider waiting for it to melt?
Waiting? This is Atlanta. A snowflake hits the ground, and people forget how to drive. I need my bread and milk to survive.
Survive what? Are you planning to build a French toast fortress? It's not the apocalypse, it's weather. And barely that.
You laugh now, but when you're hungry and stuck in your house with no bread pudding, don't come knocking on my door.
Trust me, I won't. Enjoy your French toast frenzy. Back to you, and good luck explaining this to your cardiologist. Half an inch of snow and a full-blown panic. Only in Atlanta.